All right, the table shows the relationship between the number of sports teams a person belongs to and the amount of free time they have per week. You notice oops, uh, as you increase your number of sports teams, your free time is dropping. And in fact, in a linear fashion, look how the drop is. This goes up by 1, plus 1. This goes down by 7, minus 7. Okay, same thing here, plus 1. This goes down by 7. Okay, and one more, plus 1 again, gives us a drop of 7. So we have a coefficient. Whenever you do this over here, you see what the change is every time the x goes up by 1, the y changes. That's going to be the coefficient of the variable. Okay, so I know that we're going to get something that starts out like y is equal to negative 7x. And then we can decide how we adjust it. Oh, we know how we adjust it because we say we've got, when it's 0 here, when it's 0, this is going to be the constant. So we're going to have a plus 46. That should be the equation. Okay? Now let's take a look. 0, 46. So we should have here at the y-axis where x is 0, which should be up there at 46. This one looks good. The other ones don't. So we're already knowing that it's going to be this, right? Because 0, 0, comma 46 is an ordered pair. 0, comma 46. It's good. And 1, comma 39, that fits. 2, comma 32, yep. 3, comma 25, yep. Perfect. So it's B. Okay. Is this a linear function? Well, do we have a constant change here? Then we're good. Okay, it's a linear function. Yes, it is. It's changing by the same amount every time. Okay. Describe it using words. What's the equation for this relationship? I would say, I'm going to type this. Okay. The number of hours of free time a person has is, what do we say at the top? Is, oh yeah, 46 hours. I'll be right out. Minus 7 hours for every sport the person joins. And that's it. Okay. There's another slide or two. No, I think that's it. So that's all we got. And that, my friends, is how you answer all these questions. Hopefully